Karma. Karma?
Right here. Here's my introduction chapter.
Please! I know you ain't rapping. Sit down. This ain't Tuff. P.S. So corny, bruh.
Yeah, that's my Jazam. You're incredible, Karma.
Karma? What does that even mean?
Well, it's my name.
That's not like any name I've ever...
Boy! That name is not Tuff, boy! Karma is the most corniest and not toughest name in the world, boy! You better not have that name again.
Come on, guys, let's go play some football.